is Dan, and we're back for another video. For this video, we're gonna be doing a review on a product that MSXTTLY sent me. So you guys know that I already reviewed this product before, and we're reviewing a smaller version of it now. We're gonna do the unboxing right now. They were super nice enough to send me another one, so we're gonna get a review started with this. As you guys see, the other one is in here. It's this one, it's already connected here, so this is the interface, but it's bigger. You see how it's like kind of sticking out? So it's right here, not that big, but it's still sticking out. So now we got this little small one. So we're gonna open it and see the difference from this one. Yeah. Once again, we're in a 2022 or 23 Kia K5. It will work for any car that already has Apple CarPlay, but that's not wireless. It could be Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. If it's not wireless, this will work for you. Once you plug it in, it'll become wireless. So we're gonna open it. So inside the box, nothing else comes besides this. So this is the company you guys want to check out. Description will be down below. The link will be down below for this item. So it's this here. Comes with double-sized sticky tape. Let me put this aside before I lose it like last time. And then it comes with this nice wire. So you could either have a USB-A or a Type-C. So the USB right here, put this aside, and then to the product. So look how small this is compared to the other one. So let me take the other one out. But you look at that, big difference. This one's still nice because it's a carbon one, but look how small this is compared to that. Big size difference. This is a great upgrade. So we're gonna open it up and connect it right here. Would you look at that? So small. I like that one. Now we're gonna connect it to my phone and then show you guys. So a smart box, we're gonna connect. Pair. We're not gonna do this because this is not my car. I'm using this car as a demo because my car already comes with wireless Apple CarPlay. So here we go. You show here. It connected right away. It is faster. So I wanted to show you guys too how small this is, and this is gold plated, the USB part, and it has little vents here so it doesn't get as hot. And see, wireless CarPlay adapter. So this is only to make your Apple CarPlay wireless and your Android Auto wireless. So it's smaller than the other one. So right here, you connect it right away. I'll read the USB in your settings. Then you would go to your phone, and you don't have to reconnect it all the time. The only reason I have to reconnect it because I am not the owner of the car. So you guys see it, it's responsive. You don't have YouTube or able to watch TikTok or all that in this one. This is only to make your Apple CarPlay wireless only, but it is more responsive. I don't have an Android now to show you guys the other one, but you see everything is working. So it's fast, smooth, and also it's really small here, so it's not cluttered with everything in here. Like it's not dangling or like the other. Alright guys, so you guys see here, it's not cluttered, it's not like hanging, it's not taking a lot of space. It's really small in here. It also goes quick, like in 5 seconds you can switch to Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. I don't have an Android to show you guys that you could do that real quick, but yeah, so this is only gonna be if your car doesn't have wireless Apple CarPlay or wireless Android CarPlay. You would use this little adapter and use this instead. So it's only for that. It's not gonna be for streaming services and all that, but you're gonna be using it only for that. And it only works in cars, like once again, that are not wireless. For example, this is a 2022 Kia K5. So you would use it in this. I don't think it works for BMWs, motorcycles. All right, so guys, so these little dongles right here, these little cables are if you're getting a non-steady connection, you would want to use any of these, but I'm not getting that right now. This is actually really smooth. Like you can see the movement, it's smooth. Everything works fine. If you talk to Siri, it will go right away. Music plays right away. So if you go back to your car features, so you see this is the car infotainment system the car comes with. You go to Apple CarPlay, it goes back right to it. So that's always good, that you know you don't want to be laggy. Giving you everybody the address here, but yeah, it's really responsive. Once again, I think this is something good if you don't want to change the screen. You don't want to buy like other adapters that they sell that I've seen for sale. They usually lag, they overheat, or they're just not good at all. But this one's really good. It's tiny, it's super small, as you guys see here. This is like perfect because now you could throw your phone in here and it fits fine. And the other one's a little longer, but the other one does have streaming. But if you don't care for streaming, like I don't care for streaming, I usually care for just Apple CarPlay. When my cars don't have Apple CarPlay, it's a must for me. So this is all I really do care about. So it all depends on your preference, but this is all I really care about. And anyways, so this is the brand MSXTTLY. You guys want to check them out, but it's just a wireless adapter. It is faster. They also give you a warranty, and it fits in more than 800 cars, except for BMW cars. If your car had Type-C to USB-A, but this one doesn't have Type-C on the Kia, so you would use this one if you wanted it to. Or if you see that the connection is losing, or it just comes off, or you have to reconnect. But here so far, everything is smooth, everything works. Honestly, I truly do like it. Let's go to settings, see everything here for your Apple CarPlay. Let's change the background, get a black one. Really function. Go to Spotify. I don't use Spotify, but Spotify's there. So everything, once you start opening all the other apps, everything opens right away. See, Kendrick, SoundCloud, everything's there. Messages, not gonna go into the messages, but we got messages, maps, everything opens right away. So that's always a plus. All right, guys, I don't have an Android to show you guys Android Auto, but this is gonna be it, the full review for the Apple CarPlay adapter to make it wireless. It is a really great product. It's super small, which I really like that, and I said that multiple times. That's always good because you don't want to have a big dongle just hanging around there. So once again, this is not a streaming adapter. It's only for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to make it wireless. That's all that this is for. But yeah, if you guys want to check it out and you guys are only interested in that, check them out. This is the company MSXTTLY. And once again, thank you to them for sponsoring this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.
On my hip, this bitch feel like it's law and order. You know I stay lit, I just rolled up a fucking quarter. Then when I slide, I can't pull up in nothing normal.